welcome to the first video out on the bike this year. And well, as you can tell, I'm not on the GPZ, I'm on my Suzuki, and the project is up and running. She's on the road, and yeah, I'm just getting used to her. So far I've covered around 80 miles, and I just thought I'd do this little video today just to show you where it's up to at the moment. But it's not finished. There's still some other things I want to get done, and there's a few little issues with her. She's not been running for the last 5 years, so as you'd expect, she's not perfect, but yeah, I'm really enjoying riding her. She's an absolute beast of a bike. She's got a hell of a lot of power behind her, and I just love that exhaust note. So it's less than perfect conditions today. It's incredibly cold. So the day started off at -1. We're now looking at a crisp 1 degree. It's been a bit misty today as well, so not absolutely fantastic, but as I'm off, it's a very good excuse to get out on the bike. So some of you might be able to tell, there's what I suspect to be an air leak of some description, because when you accelerate and then you come to an idle, it doesn't come to an easy idle, it's very lazy. So I've ascertained from that there is a slight air leak or problem with a bit of the carbs somewhere along the line. I've put some Red-X through the system as well to try and clear up any other little issues, but we'll see how that goes. Hopefully you can hear me loud and clear. I've slightly changed the placement of the microphone for the purposes of this video. This gives me a little bit more flex to play with. Certainly getting some looks, that's for sure. I shall find somewhere to pull over in a minute and show you around the bike. You see the acceleration is pretty brisk on this. She's really comfortable actually. I was a bit unsure about the height and handlebars, but she is actually very comfortable. I'm very happy with the riding position. Now I've got a new spring coming from a nice gentleman on a forum. It'll be a Bandit 1200 spring. Let's pull in here. so here we are. At the moment I've got the camera attached to the tank, as you can see. It gives a very good picture. Something a little bit different from having it attached to the helmet the whole time. I'll give you a walk around. The Beowulf exhaust. And I just fitted these the other day, but they were a real pig because the Renthal bars were a lot thicker on the inside, and I had to turn the outer diameter down so that it would fit through the bars, so that was a pain in the butt. The original headlight that I fitted is not good for an MOT, as I found out when my mechanic had a look at it. Phil from Sewing Motorcycles did a top job of modifying this one with an exterior bulb just on the inside there. You probably can't see it, but just inside there, just so it would pass the MOT. The light is actually really bright, so I'm quite happy with it. I missed the halo, but hey, at the end of the day you can't have everything. At least it's on the road, eh? So yeah, there we are. The paintwork's holding up quite nicely. I waxed it yesterday. Anyway, so now that's done, I've shown you the bike. I'll get back on and do a bit more riding, shall we? Right. Let me know what you think of the bike anyway. Say, she's not finished yet. Still got some work to do. I sometimes wonder if it's a little bit too loud, but you know what they say, loud pipes save lives, so I'm going to stick with it, see what happens. Looks like the sun's starting to come out now, good. He's reversing in then. Like I say, it's got a lovely exhaust note. It's like the tower box getting a bit of a refurb. So I've got to pop in and go and see Phil, just because the bolts on the linkage for some strange reason keep shaking a bit loose, and he's going to put some I assume blue thread lock on them, just so that they don't come loose again. Tell you what, there's something to be said for having heated grips on a motorbike, and now that I'm not riding the GPZ with its heated grips, I do miss them. The sheer fun factor of riding this bike just supersedes everything else. Bike is so giving. I could not be more pleased with it. Why do I always get stuck behind a bloody lorry up here? So any of you that haven't gone to Sorry My Cycles yet, I've been using Phil for the last 2 years, I'd say. Never steered me wrong. Absolutely fantastic bloke. I'll always do his absolute best to help you out, so if anybody wants their bike looked at, definitely worthwhile coming down here. There's the man himself. Hello Phil.
How you doing?
I'm alright mate, how are you?
I'm good.
Excellent.
Arranging 110 things at the same time. That Monday, speaking to MOT people, which bit came loose?
I'll show you. It's this linkage here.
Oh, there?
Yeah, this.
I thought you were on about this bit.
No, sorry, I meant the arm in between.
That's why I said come show me.
Oh, I see.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
I've tightened it up and it seems okay so far, but...
Yeah, they don't have Loctite. They do vibrate loose occasionally.
Uh-huh.
If you Loctite, you'll never be able to adjust it again.
Oh, okay.
And that is an adjustable part.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was Phil. Nice guy. Do anything for you. I do prefer going to Phil any day over anyone else. So if you're in the area, you want service done, you want a guy that you can trust, definitely do that. My God, this bike, insane. So whatever you're riding, ride safe. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next time. See ya.